Welcome back to Morrocco Method, where natural things happen. I'm Anthony Morrocco, founder, CEO, and I'm still here at 81. So I really want to honor all of our military men and women for Memorial Day, May 27th. This is a day when we just pause, really remembering they gave their lives for our country, for our freedom, for us, for our families and friends and community, and for our nation. It's a very sacred time for me, being a veteran. JFK was starting to really get aggressive with Cuba. War was on its way. I was very young, 17, small town, decided to leave high school senior year and go into the Navy. I went in February 1961, got out of boot camp, was stationed in Virginia, and then in April, the sirens went off at 3 o'clock in the morning, and it was yelling, "War is declared, all hands on deck." We were told to pack and get ready to leave our barracks. Buses came, 80,000 of us. We had no idea where we were going, what was happening. All we knew was something really horrible was happening. Most of everybody at the barracks was 17, 18 years old. Thousands of us were taken down to the tarmacs where the planes were ready. Hundreds and hundreds were packed into each plane and shipped off to Cuba, the Bay of Pigs. You can read about this in my book. If you go to MorroccoMethod.com, search under ebooks. I have 4 books. The second one is entitled The Escape Artist. But eventually what happens is I got shipped off to North Africa to protect the Mediterranean from the Russians. The Russians were enabling Cuba with nuclear weapons. But I was in North Africa for a year and a half. True to my name, Morocco, I was stationed in Kenitra, Rabat, Morocco. Came back 1963. So I'm a veteran from the Bay of Pigs, Cuba, war conditions, 1961, and here I am, 81 years old, and I'm still here. So let's honor all of our military, past and present and to come, for all of the men and women who gave their lives. They sacrificed everything for us, for our freedom, for our country, for our nation, for the world. So let's take a moment and pause and give gratitude, thanks, remembering everyone who sacrificed their lives for us. God bless America.